we ready?
Good
Yes, sir.
morning,
Shall we
sir.
start?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. A very good morning to everyone present here. My name is Shada Sadia, and I, on the behalf of my entire Hey Foodie family, welcome you all to our talk show. Today we have amongst us a very renowned personality, Dr. Anil Bajpai. Dr. Anil Bajpai, former director of KIT School of Management, is a veteran from the corporate world. Having earned BSc in Physics from St. Stephen's College in Delhi, Professor Bajpai went on to Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, to complete Bachelor of Engineering. This was followed by PGDM at IIM Ahmedabad in 1983. Recently, he has been awarded PhD in Management for his thesis on difficulties in implementing TQM, that is Total Quality Management, in Indian manufacturing organizations. Professor Bajpai started his career with SB Bilimoria and went on to Hindustan Motors. In 1987, he joined the semiconductor firm CDIL, Continental Device India Limited, where he spent over 8 years. Max Electronics was another semiconductor organization in his journey. In 1997, Professor Bajpai moved to the telecom sector, where he spent almost all of the next 17 years working with Airtel, Reliance, and Vodafone, having headed operations as the regional CEO of the latter two. In January 2014, he joined KIT School of Management as the director and has been making attempts bringing about positive changes in the positioning of the school while redefining several processes in an effort to bring industry and education closer. Dr. Bajpai in October 2019 moved to Indore and is currently Chief Operating Officer of the Prestige University project at Indore. Dr. Bajpai also likes to read and is fond of travel indulges in crosswords and puzzle solving activity. Astrology and palmistry are his interest areas too. Professor Bajpai's family comprises a bonsai expert wife, Mrs. Anita, and a son who is a medico. So, on the behalf of my entire Hey Foodie family, I again extend a very warm welcome to you. Hello, sir.
Thank you, Shadan. And what's your name? Your name is Sadia or your name is Shadan?
My name is Shada Sadia. N is silent, sir.
Oh my God, what a complicated name. Anyways, so good morning, everybody. And
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
How many participants? Good morning, participants are there?
Now we
23
have,
is what I see.
yes, sir. Okay. So now the session will be taken forward
You,
by Vidisha. Yes, sir.
Priya,
Hello.
introduce yourself a little bit so I am also aware.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. The session will be taken forward by Vidisha. Vidisha, over to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Sadia. A very good morning, Anil sir. This is Vidisha
Mhm.
this side, the host for the day on behalf of Hey Foodie. Before we begin with the session, I'll tell you a short story just to tell you what Hey Foodie is. Well, where the whole world was fighting against COVID-19 and there were COVID warriors coming up to protect the world and protect the people, we sitting home were thinking of the people who are losing the essence of healthy food, healthy eating habits, and healthy cooking habits. So we, a bunch of people, came forward as immunity warriors to help people out there who have somewhere lost the essence of what is healthy eating, what is healthy food, and especially the food which is made at home, popularly known as घर का खाना. So with that motive to inculcate eating healthy eating habits and so on, healthy food was started. On behalf of Hey Foodie family, sir, I welcome you. Welcome you to the chat, healthy chat with Hey Foodie.
Thank you, Vidisha.
Yes, sir. So let's begin.
Yes. So, what's the format that you would like us to follow?
It will be a simple one-on-one chat between you and me. I will be asking you certain questions and discussing few things about what is healthy
Oh,
lifestyle, what is healthy eating habits, and so on. So
all
more
right.
basically a chat show kind of thing.
All
So
right.
okay,
So
so you
let
ready?
me
Yes, sir.
let me add a little bit of Indian spice to your process of the
Sure, sir.
chat
Sure,
show,
sir.
and that
Yes, sir.
spice will be in the form. Let everybody put their cameras on so that we all see each other, and I will randomly pick up people from time to time during our chat to
Yes,
give
sir.
some. You will have to give me a couple of minutes. You'll have to give me a couple of minutes.
Okay, sir.
Haji sir.
Until then, I request all to please switch on your camera. Those who are facing bad network issue can stay off, but others please switch on.
Vishaka, you'll have to give me one. नहीं नहीं तो ललित से ले लेना दे देगा वो हाँ ठीक ठीक हाँ, ठीक ठीक okay. Yes, we're back. So,
Okay.
like I said, I want to have a look at everybody so that it is not, I am not staring at the name of Kumar Rishabh, but I look at the face of Kumar Rishabh. Nikita Khuntia is hiding behind a blank space. Nikita, you have two connections. Wonderful. Clever girl.
So I guess that is a network hitch over there. That's the reason it's showing so.
Uh,
So let's
all right.
begin.
So let's begin.
Yeah.
Yes.
I heard, and definitely my friend Sadia gave a very brief introduction of yours, and it seems that how slowly you have been climbing each and every staircase of life, and you have reached where you are now. Tell us something about your journey. How did you get so much of patience to, keep keep going, and now today you are here? So tell us something about it.
Let me tell you how it all happened when we were young people like you and your friends, uh, and that was almost 35-40 years ago. uh, I really did not have an idea of what I would do in my life, and believe me, that is an exceptionally ultimately fantastic state of being, not to know what you want to do. So, a lot of you who are at the stage of confusion, please feel free and happy that there is light at the end of the tunnel. What did I do? I this was, I think, in the year 1975 that I completed my All India Higher Secondary examination, and I scored good marks, but unfortunately, I did not qualify for electrical engineering in the IIT entrance exam. I was getting civil and all that kind of stuff in the joint entrance exam, JEE. And for some reason, I said, यार मैं civil engineer नहीं बन सकता. I have to be an electronics engineer. So instead of going to IIT, and then I said, I can't go to a second degree college like Delhi College of Engineering or BITS Pilani where I got admission everywhere. So I said, यहाँ वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे, हम जाएंगे तो best में ही जाएंगे.
Mhm.
And then there was this college called St. Stephen's College in the Delhi University, and I heard about that, and I said, wow, yeah, this place is really wow. So I went, took an admission in physics honors, much to the disappointment of my parents, who thought that beta engineer banta. Anyways, I spent the next 3 years studying physics, and then I realized that my parents actually seriously wanted me to be an engineer.
Engineer.
So at the end of 3 years, I gave the entrance exam for an institution which many of you may have heard of. It's called the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore, which happens to be India's #1 institute for the last 3 years in a running. And before that also. So I got admitted there and went for electrical and electronics engineering, which I wanted to do. I still did not know what I will do after that. I did engineering. I do understand a lot of engineering. But at the end of 3 years, when I got a job with a company called Tata Boros, which was to take me to the US and do some coding work like many of you have already experienced,
Mhm.
that gave me the jitters. I said, I can't do coding work all my life. So I had appeared for what is called the CAT exam. You all are aware of the CAT exam, isn't it? So I qualified CAT. I found my way to IIM Ahmedabad. I was in Ahmedabad for the next couple of years. At the end of 2 years, I still did not know what kind of career I would follow. So I gave myself another 2 years after that to decide. And how did I do that? I joined a consulting firm, SB Bilimoria. Consulting firms are extensions of MBS. So I spent the next 2 years doing market research, surveys, techno-economic feasibility reports, materials management work, and what have you. And then I said, now I will get into something. And I got into sales and marketing to begin with. I went to production after that. I went to product engineering after that. I did marketing management again. And then I did not know what to do. And then came this new telecom engineering, career. And I found myself doing customer service. I headed, that was the only thing left. Everything else I had done. So customer service. So I started with Airtel in customer service and then went on to become general manager for a region. And after that, for the next 10 years of my career, I was the CEO of Reliance and Vodafone at different times in different geographies of the country.
Right.
Having been in the corner room for more than 10 years, taking a lot of pressure. It's crazy, believe me. 24/7 job. Of course, it pays well. I reached the age of 50 when I decided that I will not work any longer for anybody. And what I meant was I will not earn a provident fund, a PF. So I quit. I started doing some little consulting on my own for a few years. I went with Sahara India and all that stuff till somebody found me. Somebody from KIT School of Management, one of the leaders there, they hunted me out and they said, would you come and give a lecture in my college? So I visited the institution. I think the date was 17th of August 2013. I came there to give a lecture and I was asked to speak on brand management. And I spoke on brand management in a very, very oblique manner, which probably none of you would have attended in your classes. I spoke about Hanuman and Ganesh, Lord Hanuman and Lord Ganesh as the two most durable brands in India. And the session ended after a couple of hours. I went back. I thought the game's over because I had come to give a lecture. I gave a lecture and I returned.
Right.
But 2 months later, I get get a call saying, "Sir, our founder wants to meet you." So I said, "Why does he want to meet me?" So, "No, can you come to Delhi? I'll send you a ticket." I said, "Okay, I can come to Delhi." So I was called to Delhi. I went to Delhi, met the founder. The founder said, "We'll be very happy if you can join us." And that was it. I said yes because I thought this is one part of the career which I have never thought of, and I think
Never
I'm good at,
experienced. Yes.
never experienced. So I went and said yes, and lo and behold, I joined Kids School of Management, Bhubaneswar, in January of 2014. And with a little break in between, the next 6 years I spent in Bhubaneswar, away from my family. I used to go home every month for just a few days. My family could not join me, but I was there. And a lot of you, like for instance, who can I see over here? Nikita, I think Debasmita, Jenna, and a few others have spent some little time with me there. So you
Okay.
know how I worked, how I lived, how I did things. Prachi is also from our place, isn't it? So
So you are being missed.
Tirupati, Sahu, you said that.
Yes, sir. Sir, we seriously miss you a lot.
अब वो तो
Everyone
यार
in KSO.
झूठ बोलने के लिए तुम लोग कुछ भी कह देते हो.
सर सच में सर सच में सर सर सच
So-
में मतलब
So
Yes, sir,
Vishaka, this has been the journey, but fundamentals. Let me tell you the fundamentals. The fundamentals in growth and the fundamentals in life are: A, be true to yourself.
Mhm.
B, never deliberately hurt anybody. गलती
Right.
से किसी को चोट लग गई तो कोई बात नहीं, जान करके कभी भी किसी को चोट नहीं पहुंचाओ.
Mhm.
C, what can be done today must be done today. Don't wait for tomorrow to do what can be done today. So if you follow these three simple things, you will succeed. I was taught on the first day of my education in IIM Ahmedabad by the late Professor Ravi Mathai, and he said two things. One was, if you have no alternative, then you have no problem, because you only have one way to do things. So don't go about trying to create alternatives when there is no alternative. Secondly, when you have to hire somebody and you have to choose between two people, one who has fundamentally A category skills, but his attitude is C category, and another one who is B category skills, but A top class attitude,
Attitude.
who will you
Right.
hire?
Obviously, the second one.
Obviously the second one. So these are two things I have held in my life, and I believe that you need to have a strong attitude, you need to have positive learning ability, you need to work towards trying to make yourself useful to the world. The world, when I say the world, I mean your near dear, your job, your family, your everybody, your sphere that you live in. You have to make yourself useful, otherwise there is no point in life. And अभी जैसे साहू ने बोला, सर यू आर बीइंग मिस्ड. Now that is the legacy that you should leave behind from wherever you pass. If people remember you with good wishes, if people remember you fondly, then it means that you've done a good job.
Mhm.
But if they say अच्छा हुआ गया,
Then
So-
it's not worth it.
then life isn't worth it.
Right. sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
So as you mentioned, those 3 points were the reason of your success, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Correct.
So, yeah. If I ask you that,
Mm.
what is this one thing which you would like to go back in the past and change? Just for normal thing. What would that
Oh,
be?
I would have gone back and right after IIM, instead of coming to the corporate world, I would have joined the teaching.
And this is something you realize after working as an director for the Kids School of Management?
Yes, actually, you know what? All these kids from Kids School of Management will vouch for this. That although I'm not a what do you say, experienced or qualified teacher by the
Profession.
classical definition, that means I'm not a finance teacher or I'm not a marketing professor. I'm not an HR guy. All that stuff is not there. But believe me, uh, and I say this, don't repeat this in front of your faculty because they will kill me otherwise. But uh, I can teach every subject better than your faculty. Isn't that true?
I guess
देखो
this
कोई-
answer.
200% true, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये कौन बोला?
Hello, sir.
Prakhar
Shrestha.
Singh.
Shrestha.
Hello,
So
sir.
as a habit, Vishaka, I would enter any class unannounced on a surprise check and get
All
into
the time,
class.
all the time, all
And-
the time.
and in the class I would hijack the class. The professor poor fellow would be standing in a corner listening to what I'm saying, and I would start teaching that very subject. And like I said, the experience and whatever else has taught me to be a complete teacher. So maybe I would have been a better teacher had I not gone to the corporate world.
Okay.
We
Sir, my
really
name
love
is-
those lectures, sir.
So just to let you know, my name is Vidisha.
You know why I keep confusing you with Vishaka and Vidisha?
I would
Because
definitely like to know. Yes, sir.
yes, I live in Bhopal. That's where my
Okay.
family is based. My wife and son. I am currently in Indore. The closest city from Bhopal is Vidisha.
Yes, sir.
मालूम है ना, सांची के
हाँ,
पास
sir.
में विदिशा है.
हाँ, sir.
तो मैं ना मतलब विदिशा लड़की का नाम सोच ही नहीं पाता हूँ, मुझे लगता है शहर है,
No issue, sir.
इसलिए ये
sir,
गलती है.
No, it's okay. It's completely okay. So, if now if I tell you to define health, how would you define?
I have a single one sentence
Straight.
answer,
Okay.
and that is, if you have all the time in the world to walk from point 1 to point 2, but you feel like running, then you are healthy.
Perfect. So this was the most innovative definition I've ever heard. Thank you for that. But I would like you to elaborate this more.
Okay, so if you want to know more, there are 3 parameters that you must be in control of in your body. Apart from the mind, of course. Healthy mind means you have to be happy, you have to do all sorts of meditation if required, keep depression away from your life, have jokes in your life, have fun in your life. Those are things which are non-body functions. They are more mental functions. But when it comes to the physical part, then you should not be overweight.
Mhm.
For your height and your frame, you should be within your weight limits. You should not eat stuff that will make you either obese or starve you to death. C, you should keep in check your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your heart rate, and your lipid profile. These are checks that you should do every year once you are an adult, and you should see that your parameters should be in the normal healthy range.
Okay, sir.
You should good biomass indicator, the BMI as they call. You should have the intake of carbs, protein, and fats in the regulated quantities. Each one of them has a role to play in your life, in your bodily function. and you'll be surprised even in your mental function. Food has a very large influence upon how you think. It has a very large influence upon how you feel. It has a very large influence upon how you react to situations. So food is very critical.
Well, sir, we will continue further, taking a minute break. So
Yeah, yeah.
we will be back at the same session. So I request all of you to please rejoin.
You'll want me to rejoin as well?
Yes, sir. You may leave now, and we'll join within a minute or something.
Yes, because your 40 minutes are getting over. All right.
Asking you few rapid fire questions. Whatever comes first to your mind, you have to answer that. Okay. We are doing this to know you more. Okay, sir? Okay. So my first question is, who do you admire the most?
My son.
Okay, sir. Very good. Okay. If you could buy any type of food just right now, what would it be?
A hamburger.
Okay. Describe yourself in 2 words.
Intelligent, emotional.
Wow, sir. Okay, so if you could talk in your sleep, what would you say?
Sing a song probably, because in my waking hours I would never be able to sing.
Okay, sir. What are you afraid of?
Afraid of losing myself in a city.
Very good, sir. Okay, sir. So if you are in a plane and your plane was about to crash, who would you want sitting next to you?
Next to me, not
Yes.
Rahul Gandhi.
Then who, sir?
I
Whom
would
do you
say
want?
somebody. So I want to. You mean to say who do I want to die with? Obviously, my wife.
Okay, sir. Very nice. Okay, sir. So now I'll be asking you some questions. I'll also be giving you out some options or hints. Okay, sir. So let us start.
Yeah, yeah.
My first question is, what tastes better than it smells? What
What
tastes
taste?
better than it smells?
Whiskey.
Okay, sir. Actually, my hint is, it is one of your sense organs.
One of my. Come again.
Sense organs, sir. One of your sense organs,
Please.
eyes, nose. What can it be that tastes better than it smells?
Obviously, the tongue.
Yes, sir. Correct. Okay, sir. So my another question is, what kind of a tree you can carry in your hand?
Palm tree.
Very good, sir. Okay. Feed me and I live, yet give me a drink and I die. I repeat.
Feed me and I live.
Yes.
Give me a drink
Yet,
and I'll die.
yes, sir.
Hint.
Okay. Wind, water, sand, or fire?
Obviously, fire.
Yes, sir. Okay. My next question is, take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will.
Crocodile.
No, sir. If you
Villain.
take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will.
Well, I think I know the answer.
Chili, banana, something like that.
No, sir. You have
So you will
never
cry.
been-
I won't cry.
Chilies, bananas, onions.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
You were
It's
saying all the
onions.
option, but not onion.
No, I was coming to. I would have come to that, but वो चिली बनाना से आ रहे थे वहीं कि peeling.
अच्छा
ये
अच्छा.
तो मालूम था it's a peeling object.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So my last question is, what moves faster, heat or cold?
Neither.
So just a tricky question. Not
I'll tell you. You can't catch. You can catch cold, so obviously heat is faster.
very smart, sir. Very smart. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, over to you, Vidisha.
Thank you, Sadhya. It was real fun. I hope you enjoyed, sir.
Yes, of course.
Okay, there is one question which is continuously striking my head. So I want to ask कि
What?
अक्सर ये होता है कि when we are into study and when we are into a lot of work experience and stuff like this, we lose our fun side, our living happy life side. How did you maintain? How did you manage to be so jolly, so fun loving even after such a lot of great experience?
See, every one of us goes through tragedies in life.
Mhm.
I have also had my share of immense tragedy.
Okay.
And I asked myself and I asked the Almighty, why me? All right. Why did you have to, uh, break this huge tragedy on my life, on my family, on me? I got no answer. And somewhere I stopped believing in the normal format of God, therefore. And I said, now what do I do? If there is no God, if there is no power that be, and no one controls happiness and sorrows from outside me, then I realized कि मैं ही स्वयं, I myself am responsible for my sadness, my happiness, my joys, my sorrows, my actions, and everything. Why should I look outside? So when I start to look inside, then I say that it's better to be happy than sad. Don't you know? It's a small life that we are being given. उसको हंस के काटो. कहते हैं ना कि क्या था, मौत तो यूं ही बदनाम हो गई है,
जी.
मौत तो यूं ही बदनाम हो गई है, दर्द तो जिंदगी दिया करती है.
Right, sir. So this is how you
So that's why,
managed.
yeah, because I realized that, and the second thing is that be in company of young people, happy people, and you will be happy. Spread happiness and you will be happy. And this is something that I practice wherever I go. These students know it. मैं सवेरे सवेरे 9 बजे क्लास इनकी शुरू होने से पहले I would stand at the bottom of the stairs from where they had to climb to go into classes. And I had made a rule that anybody wearing footwear of unacceptable variety, that means improper shoes, slippers, torn clothing, irregular stuff, I would send him back to hostel. और ये लोग मतलब रोते थे कि अरे डायरेक्टर साहब खड़े, वापस जाओ वापस जाओ वापस जाओ. Now that was my way of regulating people, giving them the energy, and today they actually laugh at those days. क्यों साहू?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Sir, it
याद
was
है?
out of respect. Yes, sir. It was out of respect.
And Vidisha, all these people, without fail, of course, not the girls. I never hit girls, but all the boys have actually been physically beaten by me at some point or the other.
Yes, sir. एक तो मार पड़ा ही है सबको.
हाँ, वही तो. Now,
That's nice, sir.
उसमें ये होता था कि many students would come back to me and tell me, सर मुझे आपने नहीं मारा. बहुत दुखी होके कहते थे, सर मुझे तो नहीं मारा आपने. Now that's the happiness that you spread. Go into you all attend school, you all go to classes. Now in a 1 hour lecture or a 70-minute lecture, the teacher is trying to carry a concept through to you, and that concept has got multiple ways of being transmitted from the book and the teacher's mind to the student's mind.
Yes, sir.
Now most teachers, what would they do? वो स्लाइड क्या कहते हैं उसको, पीपीटी लगा दिया स्क्रीन के ऊपर और कुछ बोलना शुरू कर दिया और आप लोग सो गए, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि बाद में आपको पीपीटी मिल ही जाएगा. The teacher will share the PowerPoint presentation. So none of you pay any attention. All the
Right,
boyfriends and
right.
girlfriends sitting together will talk among themselves. Everybody else will be sleeping, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
you and everybody knows this. Teachers know it, students know it, everybody knows it. And classes become a drab. And everybody says, ये जो टीचर बोल रहा है ये तो गूगल पे रखा है, ये तो सब जगह से मिल जाएगा. हमने क्या, why should I attend this class? I attend this class because I need attendance, otherwise exam में बैठने नहीं मिलेगा.
That's a true reason.
ठीक है? Now, again I will say, ask these students what I would do. I would go into a class and I would ensure that 100% of the class is awake. How?
Right.
Keep picking up people, ask questions, get them to participate, crack a joke or two, make people happy, and then their learning increases tremendously.
Right.
So, like I said earlier, I know I would be a damn good teacher. I am a damn good teacher, even if I say so myself, and I don't
No
teach
doubt.
anything. Even if I don't teach anything.
So you can be a teacher of life. That's what I have
do.
learned. That's what I've learned by talking to you within just an hour or something. Okay, then since I've heard that few of your students were missing you, so I keep a minute open for them. If they
Yeah,
want to ask you any question, they can come, or they want to talk to you, they can come. So over to you people, all yours. Come up with your questions, come up to talk.
Sir, when you're coming back to just give us a lecture, another lecture before we graduate.
तुम अपने समीर पंडा सर को बोलो कि मुझे बुला ले, या नए डायरेक्टर से कहना आस्क मी फॉर अ लेक्चर, आई विल कम देयर.
सर कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूंगा इस पे.
नहीं नहीं, I will try to come there. I was speaking to your present director, Mahapatra sir, Saroj. I was telling him the other day that तुम मुझे invite करो, I will come and meet you all and meet the faculty, meet the students, and generally have a good time.
Hi sir, good morning. This is Anand Pandey here.
कौन है? अनिल पांडे?
Yes sir, Anand Pandey.
Yes Anand, tell me.
How are you sir?
I am good. कैसे हो?
मैं बढ़िया हूँ सर. सर एक्चुअली आप स्टार्टिंग में बता रहे थे रिलेटेड टू कि आपका एक बार कुछ चेंजेस हुआ था कि आई विल बी नॉट वर्किंग फॉर अदर्स, आई विल बी वर्किंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो वो आपको एट द एज ऑफ एज 50 के बाद 50 सम रिलेटेड टू दैट आप बोले रियलाइज हुआ, राइट? सो हाउ अबाउट कि अगर वो आपको 20, 25, 30 के आसपास अगर होता तो देन इट विल बी अ गुड और इट विल बी समथिंग व्हाट?
It will be best. It will be very good. Unfortunately, जब मैं था 25 साल का तो मुझे उतनी हिम्मत ही नहीं थी. मुझे वो हिम्मत आई 50 साल की उम्र में.
Okay. So, sir,
it is the courage. It is the time when you actually get the courage and the calling, and that is when you have to decide. Yes, हो गया बहुत यार, बहुत हो गया, अब चलें.
That's superb, sir. Just adding one more thing in here कि मैं और ऋषभ है यहाँ पे, तो हम लोग भी एक यही चीज को देखते हुए आप जो बोले कि 50 years में आया था, हम लोग देखे, फिर उसको देखते हुए हम लोग एक कोशिश किए कि अपना रिसानंद भट्टी एंटरप्राइजेस को स्टार्ट करें जिसमें कि हे फूडी है, और उसको एक अलग सा मुहिम, एक अलग सा ब्रांड के रूप में आप जैसे बोले ब्रांड के प्रति कि हनुमान और उनके नाम को एक ब्रांड बना के बोले. इट्स रियली गुड एंड रियली ऑसम सर कि मतलब आप उस लेवल को गए. एंड एज पर माय ओपिनियन आई एम आल्सो थिंकिंग दैट इन वन डे हे फूडी विल बिकम as much as brand that world will know that with the name of only hey
देखो, हाँ, कि अगर तुम फंडिंग के लिए स्टार्टअप क्रिएट कर रहे हो ताकि तुम जल्दी से जल्दी एक क्या कहते हैं मर्सिडीज कार खरीद सको, तो डोंट डू दिस बिजनेस.
not at all sir, not at all sir. Not at all,
वही
sir.
कह रहे हैं कि यदि यदि तुम चाहते हो कि तुम्हारा ब्रांड अगले 50 साल तक जिंदा रहे, then please get into this business.
Sir, I will tell you the crux of why you have going for the startup and why you are going for it, because we are trying to solve the we are trying to fill the gap which is there. So in terms of problem solving, so we everyone know that healthy food is nowadays very much important, and in schools, college, everywhere, whoever is going to the schools, आप जानते होंगे कि जो क्लास 1 में बच्चे पढ़ते थे वो जितना फिट होते थे, क्लास 10 आते आते उनका वो फिटनेस गायब हो जाता था. तो उसी को हम रिकवर करवा रहे हैं थ्रू हे फूडी की भाई हम घर का खाना प्रोवाइड करें, हेल्दी प्रोवाइड करें. आप जो जंक फूड बाहर खाते हो क्लास 4-5 के बाद में आपको भी पॉकेट मनी मिलना शुरू हो जाता होगा, तो जो पॉकेट मनी मिलता है आप जो बाहर खा रहे हैं उसी को आप घर कैंटीन में हे फूडी में खाइए. सेम फूड सेम टेस्ट अवेलेबल करवाएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि उसको हेल्दी मैनर में. एग्जांपल सी मंचूरियन हो गया, तो आप मंचूरियन बाहर खाएंगे तो वो उतना हेल्दी नहीं होगा. अगर हे फूडी से खाएंगे तो उसको फ्यूजन वे में प्रोवाइड करेंगे ताकि ब्राउन ब्रेड यूज हो और जो हेल्दी यूज हो उसी को यूज करके हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो मेन मोटिव वही है सर.
तुमको हम एक आइडिया देते हैं बेटा.
यस सर, यस सर.
ऐसा करो कि किसी अपने जैन दोस्त को बुलाओ जो जो कट्टर जैन हो, हाँ, और उनकी डाइट जो है उसकी लिस्ट बनाओ. And you will realize that Jain food is probably the most balanced diet containing all ingredients like carbohydrates, fats and proteins and minerals in the right proportion. फिर उससे डेवलप करो, क्योंकि आज की तारीख में youngsters, at least 50% of youngsters are very conscious of their looks. सब चाहते हैं कि हम एक मॉडल की तरह दिखाई दें. Gyms are getting flooded. Protein के powders are selling at 6,000 rupees for a 2 kg box. Now these are things which should be avoided, and you should get to natural food as much as possible.
Yes sir, correct sir. I'll do that sir.
ठीक है? Good. Anybody else has any points to make?
Sir, another question. Sir, हम लोग सब इधर मतलब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपने लाइफ में जर्नी. सो और स्टार्टिंग लाइफ के स्टार्टिंग में ही ऐसा सिचुएशन है, तो सर क्या एक्चुअली क्या सजेशन आप देना चाहेंगे हम लोग सबको? लाइक वी ऑल आर बिगिनर्स एंड यू हैव सीन लाइक मोर एक्सपीरियंस, मोर सबसे ज्यादा.
So you are saying you are asking me that तुमने अभी जिंदगी शुरू भी नहीं की and you are seeing a pandemic.
Yes sir, kind of.
This is the question, no?
Yes,
Yes. Let me tell you this: you people are the most fortunate people of the world, the luckiest. And why do I say the luckiest? If you trace history of
Right.
pandemics, पिछले 500 साल में कितनी बार महामारियां हुई हैं, तो तुमको ये पता चलेगा कि हर महामारी के बाद में, after every pandemic, the world has bounced back much higher. Opportunities given to young people after a pandemic is amazing, and the whole direction of the planet changes after a disaster like this. Like for instance, today China is under attack from everybody. People will start boycotting Chinese goods. धीरे से तुम्हारे लिए Chinese food will become an item to discard. People will stop eating Chinese food just to make China feel inferior. And that is a gap that Hey Foodie can fill. Create your own brand of food, create your own concoctions, create your own meetings, everything. During the last 75 days, I was with one of your seniors discussing something, and I came upon, and घर पे मैंने एक चीज बनाई. The only thing that I made in all this lockdown period. And what was it that I made? Mango kulfi. मैंने आधा लीटर दूध लिया, उसको उबाल के उसको रिड्यूस कर दिया। रिड्यूस मतलब उसको जला दिया, उसको इतना गर्म किया कि वो रह गया 150 ml। और उसमें हमने 2 चम्मच चीनी डाल दी, थोड़ी सी चीनी डाल दी, और वो थिक करके उसको ठंडा कर दिया। आफ्टर दैट आई टूक अ मैंगो, एन अल्फोंसो मैंगो, चॉप द हेड ऑफ, और बहुत केयरफुली उसका सीड बाहर निकाल दिया। अब जो गैप बन गया उसके अंदर रबड़ी डाल दी और ढक्कन वापस लगा दिया, एंड आई पुट इट इन द फ्रीजर फॉर द नेक्स्ट 3 hours or 4 hours. After 4 hours, I took it out and it was a frozen mango with rabdi inside. फिर उसको slice करके it became mango kulfi. Now, this is something that fills in the gap of fruit and ice cream, right? No, this was just an idea I was giving you. So Tribhuvan, Tirupati, please
Yes, sir.
understand that the hey foodie or anybody should create, fill the gap which will be created by people discarding a kind of food. जैसे a lot of you will say, let us become vegans, let us become vegetarians. So when you become vegetarian, you will give away chicken, meat, all that stuff, fish वगैरह चली जाएगी. Now इसको fill करने के लिए कुछ नई चीज करो, like soya protein, like something like that. So think innovatively and create the gaps. You people are actually poised for the greatest growth in at least India's life. All right, so बढ़िया जगह है. नौकरी शौकरी थोड़ा सा इधर उधर लगेगा, टेंशन होगी, but don't lose heart. It is a temporary phase which will disappear very soon.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Thank you, sir.
thank you for your questions and the conversation. With this, we move towards the end of the show. Before ending, so we, on the behalf of Hey Foodie, would like to share a participation certificate as a way of showing you our gratitude for being there with us and giving us so much to learn from you. You are a great person. Hats off to you. Thank you for being there. The screen will be shared and you will be having a view on your participation certificate.
Okay. Hello, sir. Sir, this is Dipesh here.
Yes, Dipesh.
Yeah, I am from 13-15 batch, sir. When you started your journey in Kesum.
13, 15.
Yes, sir.
I remember you. Show me your face.
I can't show, sir, right now because I have. I'll give you a call again, sir. I'll take your number. I'll give you a call. I'm just sharing the screen.
Yeah,
so
Dipesh,
that,
मुझे याद आ रहा है. Where did you join? तुमने join कहाँ किया था?
I joined Next Education, sir, in Odisha itself.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir,
I'm
here is
sharing
a
right now.
certificate. Certificate of participation.
So
Thank you
you
so
will
much.
receive the on your email also, sir, the e-copy.
I don't see anything. You started screen sharing, but I can't see it yet.
I have started, sir. Let me do again. Now it is visible, sir.
Not yet.
Okay, no
Sir,
issue,
it's
sir.
this-
Like we will be sending you over the mail, so that you can have a look on it.
Why don't you take a picture of everybody that participated in the thing? So get everybody's videos up and take a screenshot.
Okay. Hello.
Ask everyone to put on their videos on start.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. तूने बाल कहाँ कटा है?
Sir, this is Prakhar here. Sir, I had a question for you.
वही प्रखर मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, बाल कहाँ
हाँ
कटाए?
सर, लॉकडाउन का असर है।
बाल उड़ गए?
सर जस्ट नहीं सर, नहीं है, जस्ट बिफोर लॉकडाउन कटा लिया था सर,
अच्छा, ठीक
बीच
ठीक
में
ठीक,
खुली थी।
गुड।
सर आई हैड ए क्वेश्चन फॉर यू सर। आपने बताया था सर दैट योर बिगेस्ट एडमायरर इज योर सन, दैट मींस व्हाई सर, ऐसा क्यों?
No, I admire my son the most. You know why? Everybody says that most people will say I admire my father the most, or I
Exactly.
admire
Yep, sir.
the Narendra Modi or something like that. I admire my son because he is. I always wanted
बिल्कुल।
him to do better than me, and he is doing better than me. So therefore, I admire him the most. अगर हम अपने अगली पीढ़ी को प्रोत्साहित करके अपने से अच्छा बनने की क्षमता देते हैं, तो उससे अच्छा तो कुछ है ही नहीं. I want you guys to be better than me.
बिल्कुल सर,
है ना?
definitely it was really good to hear that from you sir, thank you, we will definitely be sir, and we
Good,
really
good.
miss you sir, hope you come to KSM soon.
तुम कहाँ पे हो? तुम्हारा घर कहाँ पे है, प्रखर?
जमशेदपुर सर, जमशेदपुर में हूँ।
अच्छा, तो bulk of you are in Jamshedpur only.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good.
Yes sir.
Well, our 40 minutes is again gonna expire soon. So on that note, thank you so much, sir, for being here with us. We were really great to have you. And thank you, audience, for watching us. Before we end, just a thing. Hey Foodie is on all social networking platforms on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So go ahead, follow us, and stay updated with our new things coming up. On that note, thank you, sir, for being there. Take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. You are amazing person to know. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and get a life.
Yes, sir,
Enjoy
definitely.
and be good. Don't bother your mothers.